One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that all these characteristics I've started listing for Bitcoin also apply to what we now call cryptocurrencies in general. The entire cryptocurrency sector as we know it today basically grew out of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first true modern cryptocurrency, and it was from trying to clone Bitcoin, or at least attempting to, that we've ended up with hundreds, thousands, even millions of coins, cryptocurrencies, and tokens. But listen closely, pay close attention. No other cryptocurrency actually has Bitcoin's characteristics. None of them. All the technological, social, and financial dynamics I'm talking about in this course, the ones that define Bitcoin, not even the so-called number 2, Ethereum, has half of Bitcoin's unique traits. No doubt about it, at least from a technical standpoint, and those subtler, more specific dynamics that make all the difference, the ones that actually enabled Bitcoin to become what it is and achieve the success it has, belong to no other cryptocurrency. Even if someone tried to clone or copy Bitcoin exactly as it is, there are at least two elements that could never exist in history. 1. Bitcoin's years of real-world experience, handling a massive volume of transactions that prove its technology, and the specific way its nodes work can actually support that kind of load. 2. Bitcoin's first-mover advantage. We can't ignore that Bitcoin was first, and as we'll see, it has a whole set of characteristics that make it unique. Characteristics that can never be matched in the same way, simply because Bitcoin came first and has all that history behind it. No other cryptocurrency will ever catch up. Keep this crystal clear in your mind. Everything I'll say and everything you'll hear in this course applies exclusively to Bitcoin. Not Bitcoin Cash, not Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, not Bitcoin clones, not cryptocurrencies born in the 2020s or later. No cryptocurrency can claim to have the characteristics that are truly Bitcoin's alone. And unfortunately, that's objective and indisputable. That's exactly why, when you hear terms like cryptocurrencies or crypto in general, always remember to distinguish. Bitcoin is the original, the only one with these unique characteristics. The others? They're experiments. Many failed, chasing Bitcoin but never catching it. Ethereum has its uses, sure, but it's not Bitcoin. Litecoin, Ripple, Cardano, none have the same depth of real-world experience, the same pioneering advantage, the same time-tested resilience. This is why this series focuses exclusively on Bitcoin, because only Bitcoin has proven, for 17 years and millions of transactions, to be truly anti-fragile, truly decentralized, truly immutable. Other cryptos can promise, can innovate, but Bitcoin has already won the test of time, and that no fork, no clone, no 2025 white paper can ever replicate. So, the question for you is simple. Do you want to speculate on thousands of coins that will probably disappear? Or do you want to understand the only asset that has already withstood everything? The choice is yours. Disclaimer and transparency. The script is original and handwritten by me. The digital avatar is my personal creation. My content is not financial advice nor investment solicitation. Study and always do your own research before investing.